Good day mga kapartner! This January, President and Managing Director Ms. Patricia Poco Palacios earned the title Woman Leader of the Year in SME Financing. And also, Global Dominion won the fastest growing MSME financing solution provider sa the Global Economics Awards nitong January 8 sa Bangkok, Thailand. Inumpisahan din ng branch division ang taon by having two awarding ceremonies last January 18, awarding our employees in the morning and our kapartner loan consultants in the evening. Furthermore, nanalo rin ng Global Dominion nitong 43rd Agora Awards. Nakuha lang naman ng Global Dominion ang Outstanding Achievement in Entrepreneurship Large-Scale category this January 28. And speaking of awards, this year si Global Dominion naman ang mamimigay ng awards. Ito ang the Global Dominion Awards. Kikilalanin ng fastest growing SME, Most Innovative SME, and Care Awards, meaning community, altruism, relationship, and environment. At para sa marami pang hashtag pwede pala stories, ako ang kapartner mo sa pag-angat, Quincy Lopez, at ito ang GDFI News.